Okay, this is another glorious day in the great forest of Kansas. Today we're doing a simple toggle. I've used them on several things in the past, so we're going to show an easy way to make them. This is just a wood split. This happens to be Eastern red cedar. It's something that from where I was knocking out some firewood, just a piece that I snatched off. The typical purple color is absent because it tends to oxidize. Once the surface does, once you get into the surface, you can see it's nice purple again. All right, so what it is, we're gonna find you a piece of wood that you happen to like and start carving it down. My toggles, I usually make them, I don't know, anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches long, depending on what you're doing. Have a piece of cordage made up however long you need to do what you want, and then split your wood to shape and cut in to get the length you want. And there's several ways you can do this. You can see the bright purple coming up. Get it the thickness you want. And you can give it a good sand on whatever. Piece of stone, piece of rock. Although doing this, you'll be working at it for a while, but it does work, as you can see. All right, once you get it down to there, scrape the gray mess off. That's just old. Now for the hole, I'll usually use the awl. This one doesn't have a sewing eye in it. Some of them do, but you just stick it right in the middle. And with this wood, you got to be careful that you don't split it, so you don't shove anything into the wood really fast. Just work it around and around. Let that edge of that awl remove the wood. It'll become a little more critical once you get the hole in it, because you want to open it up faster. Well, with anything this short and small, if you try to ram something in the hole that fast, it's going to split. You just got to ease things in there, just like that. Now if you're in the field and you're not planning on keeping it, you can leave it as is. What I tend to like to do, since I use them, especially like all my pack frame and stuff like that I made, I'll sand them down really good with some 80 grit and then go up to maybe 320 or something along that line, get it smoothed out, the edges all nice and smooth out and rounded. Give it a good sand to turn it purple, and then rub your wood down with a good coat of beeswax. That'll help protect it. It'll waterproof it so it doesn't want to rot, and it also helps hold the color. This is a nice purple wood, as you can see. Okay, we got the hole about where we want it. See if I can get some of that purple showing up. There it is. It's starting to come through. The only thing I do with the beeswax is I just rub it on there and heat it a little bit, and it soaks into the wood, and you kind of rub it around. It's a little bit of a trick. It's not as hard as you'd think. You can use anything you want to seal it. I just like using beeswax. It's kind of cool. Get it all rounded out. Then I fold my cordage in half, and work it into the hole. Pull it through, you have both ends knotted, and there's your toggle. I'll slip it around something like that, secure it, then you have tie points and whatnot about. And you can use these and shorten this up a little bit. You can use this to secure jackets, all kinds of stuff. There's countries in other parts of the world that use wooden toggles and stuff as this to secure things up until and through World War II, just simply because it was easier and cheaper to make, and you could field repair your gear a lot easier. So don't discount the simple wooden toggle just because it's a simple wooden toggle. They're easy to make, and with the way things are getting, easy to make, easy to procure, and to do yourself is going to become primarily important. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.